Hello and thanks for joining School of the American Rifle. It's been a while since we've made some content. We've had to step away from doing videos for family reasons, taking care of some loved ones, the important stuff in life. That being said, we haven't forgot about you all, and we're going to get back into making some content as soon as some things settle down. We're still teaching classes. We're still doing our thing, just haven't had time to do video content. And I want to apologize to you all for the lack of things to watch if you're fans of School of the American Rifle, but we're not going. We do have some new stuff coming. This is another fire damage gun that we're going to try to tackle. This one was a pretty tragic one where the owner of this gun and his family lost pretty much everything except for their actual loved ones. Their house completely burned down, so some people in the gun industry got involved and they're reaching out. The gun got sent to me, so we're going to see if anything can be saved on this. Some of the manufacturers that were involved in originally manufacturing these parts have said that they will replace anything that I've found that has been damaged by the fire. So in the end, if everything's trashed, we're still going to get this young man up and running. But I think it'll make for some new content to kickstart our short absence. That being said, our old gun, let me go over to it. I'm at one of the student benches right now. It's still going strong. This is our fire damage PSA. And there's the bucket of brass that's been fired through it. I didn't die in the streets. It didn't kill me. We test fire at the end of every School of the American Rifle class. No malfunctions. Flawless function. I'd say we have about 1,500 rounds through it so far. Pretty good if you ask me. Come back over to one of the benches. This gun is sort of a hodgepodge. It is a Daniel Defense factory upper bolt carrier group. It looks like it has a Raptor charging handle, Radiance selector, Geissele trigger, and the lower receiver is an FN. Got some other Geissele parts on here. We're going to see what we can do to save as much as possible. Daniel Defense has already said that they will replace the rail for us. They don't make this version anymore, but they're going to get us a new one for this young man. The gentleman who lost this gun in the fire was already a subscriber to the channel, so we're grateful for that. But that's not why we stepped up. We wanted to do something nice for some people that had a tragic time and see if we can give back a little bit. So this is just a teaser, everyone. Wanted to say I've missed you all. Not going. And we will have some more content with this rifle and other stuff coming up soon. As always, thanks for watching.